experts and lung doctors to understand what is the best way to do proning at home. Well, I'm using a yoga mat over here, but you can do this on your bed mostly, especially if it's a patient already on the bed. You just need to roll him over. But before that, this is the prep you need to do. Now, proning at home generally involves 3 layers of cushions being put in. You'll see that the tallest pile is right here. But also notice how it's not in the center really, because the thing to remember is that the tallest pile of 2 cushions should not fall on your stomach, but actually be on your pelvic region. Let me show you how. So when you lie down, this tallest pile of 2, you can use 3 also if that's okay with you, should get here on your pelvic region. You see this? You see my 2 feet back on that pillow in the end. And then this smallest one, just to support your chin. Now if you'll notice, the thing to check and understand whether you're doing it right or no is put your hand underneath. And if your stomach still has space between the bed, that's when you're doing it correctly. So one way to do is like this. The other one, also called the swimming pose, can be done like this. The other hand just goes on the back and you can just lie on the side. Do this for about 30 minutes and then it's advisable to change to another position. The other position is basically to go on your side. That's when you can let go of the pillows and just lie on the side like this. You can do the exact same thing on the other side as well. And the 4th position is to actually be sitting in a position slightly reclined. So I'm just using the pillows right now for support. When you sit at home, it can be like this as well. So slightly declined at about 30 degrees or so. So try this at home, but remember it's very important to understand who needs proning and who does not. So do consult your doctor before you indulge in any of these exercises.